Special thanks to Nomad for sponsoring today's video. Nomad is one of those brands that has been around for a while, and I've always just been in love with their design. So I was super stoked when they said they would be open to sponsoring today's video. I said, hey guys, I just got the iPhone 16 Pro if you want to send out some iPhone 16 stuff, as well as I love your chargers. I think they look amazing. So they did send over the stand one with Magsafe, as well as their leather back. So they make cases, as you know, but then they also have these really interesting plates basically that go on the back of your phone, kind of zhuzh up the back of your phone and just allow the back of the phone to be protected. First, we're going to start with the charger. So this is the stand one, which is really, really nice. As I could already tell, I mean, that has a really nice heft to it. I mean, like, it's nice because this is going to happen, right? You're going to pop that on there and then you're gonna be able to pull it off without having to like put a hand on it and pull it off like that. Overall design, I think this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love, like, this is glass here on the front, like kind of like with a white color behind it. This is nice and silicone textured, so it's not gonna like hurt your device to put it on there. Just this sort of single body design, nice rubber padding on the bottom, and then USB-C plug there to get that look. I think what I'm most excited about is on the iPhone 13 Pro, I did have standby mode, but it was without it couldn't always be on, right? Because there wasn't an always on screen. I've been most excited to use it in standby mode this way at nighttime on my bedside table or even over at my desk to be used as kind of like a calendar, heads up, kind of quick notification display area as well. The cable, USB-C to USB-C, nice and matching, braided, seems fairly long as well, so that's nice. Super simple. I love that they are carbon neutral since 2020. I love that they say they're proudly carbon neutral on the bottom. The box itself is very nice, but there's the charger. That's all you get in the box. Let's move on to the iPhone back here. So I did go, as you all know, with the iPhone 16 Pro with the black color, which I think just looks so sick. And you may or may not know this too, but I love like a good saddle brown, natural leather look. And as far as I know, this is called rustic brown, vegetable tanned leather. Okay, attaches with MagSafe and micro suction, MagSafe and wireless charging, compatible Horween leather. So it's gonna smell good. We know that. So here's the unboxing experience for this guy here. It comes in a nice little wrapping. That's pretty premium feeling. All right, and there is the back. That looks pretty nice, nice and slim. It's not gonna add a lot of bulk or weight, I can tell. So it does attach via strong magnets, but then also has this like re-stickable kind of situation here too. You know, upon first glance here, I am not so sure about where the leather touches the plastic. I feel like that's gonna peel up. I guess that's something that I will experience over time, but just sort of off the top of my head, that's the first thing I noticed, and that's all that you get in the box there. It kind of feels like a lot of packaging for this one little piece of slither of leather there. But let's go ahead and pull these pieces off. Oh yeah, nice and sticky, which will be good just to keep it from like sliding around on the back of the phone. I have no doubt the magnets themselves would hold it in place really well, but all right, let's push that down, and there's your look. So that looks really nice. You still get, you know, those edges and sides that, ooh, that feels really nice. I'm trying to hold it up here so you all can see on the overhead camera. So that's a good look, right? You still get access to the whole ports and buttons as they exist on the phone, but like I said, it does add a little bit of protection for the back of your phone and does have the raised camera area, so you're protecting your cameras as well. You know, obviously with these huge camera bumps these days, you are gonna get some rock there, but yeah, that's a really good look. So yeah, I really appreciate Nomad for sending out these products. If you liked any of these products, you can check the link in the description for a certain percentage off. It does help the channel, and Nomad did not actually pay me for this review, so take that as you may. Special thanks to Nomad again for sending this out. There's a couple different color variations, white, black. Obviously they have different leather backing plates like this, as well as cases, other chargers, things like that as well. But I'm gonna be rocking this for a little bit and try to be ginger with my phone so I don't drop it. But yeah, I think that's a really cool look. Again, thanks to Nomad for sending out these products. I'm gonna be enjoying them for a while.